planon. Maghimo ko og shakoy karong hapuna. So watch out sa akong shakoy. Let's go in the kitchen. See you there. Sweden, no?
Na. Ganti ko na yung mga video, uy, kita na ka-relax mo utok. Walay singgit-singgit, walay...
Ingaw mo dito ti uy kanang mga Europe nga part.
Ilang lugar good kay 10 inhabitants ra sila.
Uy!
Kabalay ra.
Pila ra kabalay?
10.
So why daw ko ang donut sa shakoy.
Do not.
Do not enter.
Donut o shakoy?
Shakoy ti.
Shakoy nga donut.
Oh. Nakamantay butter, pwede pa nato isagol. Salty, ay nakalimot.
Patubon mo na rin.
Oh, matubon.
Patubon na siya.
Matubon siya. Muna ka kasi.
So we slept in the sofa at night, but up there we have it's like a bedroom. But next time we go here, we're gonna bring a big mattress.
Nakuha kayo sila, uy, sila mga...
Okay, the car is packed and it's
Mga
changed.
hinayon ka, ayo, nga...
Good night.
Ilang country, wala kayo mag-lockdown.
Zero sila tin, no?
Dili, dali mga cases ila ha, sa syudad, Stockholm.
So, wala yung
Sama
lockdown.
sila, lagi na hindi kayo relax.
Yeah. All right, now, are you ready? Let's go. Mwah. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.
Napila na yun. Like multiple copies. Nasa IKEA.
Yung design thing?
Oh, makaila ko ba sa mga kita ako sa picture, makaiba ko nga iya.
Like shoe.
Parang ko ni siya, painter, photographer. Yung mga kuha, picture niya. Ilang lugar kayo na ay kuan. Si Borealis filming. Oh. Si Aurora Borealis.
Right now we can't even make a phone call. So if something would happen, you know, in the village, you can't even call an ambulance or anything. You're just totally disconnected from the world. And I mean, that's good in a way. Sometimes I really like when that happens, but it's not really good when you have a lot to do, because it just makes you feel so much more stressed. So now I'm on my way to the closest village, you know, Mikael, I'm sure. You have heard about it before.
Makuliya Junction.
It's the place where I rented a house for my studio last year, or actually earlier this year. And that's where my beautiful cow, Kran, is spending years.
Yo!
So I'm going now and see if they have internet phone connection.
Shakoy sa kuanete.
Siya ko sa...
Ang dami.
Why did this happen now? Oh, I know. It's December. Okay, okay, ready. Now I'm here in the video shop, just outside the store. They have a little grocery store there. I think it might be the best grocery store in the world. Because it's super small, but they have super many things. And it's a very tiny village. It's only like 70, 80 people living here. And
Nasa 78 lang village.
small villages.
Pila yung kuante?
70 to 80 people na na ilang village.
Wala, oy.
They are really fighting for it. They give up their time and energy to make it work. And I think that's amazing. And they have internet again, but they have also been out of internet and electricity. They just got it back. I just wrote to Linda now. She's the farmer that lives here. She has a farm where my cow Shanna lives. Oh, it's so
Luto
hard
ka,
to
humanot ka.
speak Swedish and English sometimes at the same time because the
Patubo.
words
Sa'yo mo to,
pronunciation is so
sa'yo mo to ni Matas Archie.
just if we should take it from there.
Gising lagi ko.
Hmm.
Oh my god. The weather is just so warm today. It looks so great. Hopefully it will be colder soon.
Ilan yung bata?
Siya ko
Shakoy sa iling balibano.
That was a nice weekend. It was good to see her again. It was a long time now. And it was really good to see Mikael as well. So, I can't wait to have her back in Japan this summer again. In the Green Hills. Now I'm on our way home again. Hopefully we have internet now, but I don't think so. A crisis weekend. We still don't have any internet.
Ang iyong bread, pila to ka yes ninyo gibutang? 1 teaspoon?
Sit here.
Wala ko ating.
Some coffee.
Tulo, pero dapat na siguro dumaan. Kung depende, gamahan.
Pila lang to ka cups na kuan flour?
Ulong.
Ah.
Daghan.
Okay, I'm gonna go and see if there are
Ano na to mo? Tubo ka ni.
me and my mom.
Daghan na to.
Ha?
Katingog ka.
Hopefully there are no problems. We need to be careful because the cable had fallen on the ground.
Mas may printing.
Please, here it comes. Ja, vad heter sånt? The one who cleans the chimneys comes and we have to shovel away for him. So when this painful situation with that man was finally over, we
Pag nakod ka nang makuan siya, ka nang matikoy.
Chakoy!
Kasi kasultin mo sa Shakoy, tin. Iring banbanon.
Lamig kayo!
Magnegosyo na ta.
Oo.
Lamig kayo!
Hindi ka kaya, pero... Kuya, ano sa dati ganina, tin? Uy, mga ba ni?
Hugog siya kaayo. Sabi na ko siya gugahi.
Di nga naman, ite, kaya ito, mantika na itong gigamit. Kaya deep fry man siya.
This is for Miriam in Germany.
Hinayan na ako kay para kuhan. Kung ang ilaw mo?
In the house.
Sakura kayo?
Upstairs for the first time.
Hmm.
Because now it's less and less.
Kung ang tag-shakoy ni kuhan, iring, ni iring banbanon.
So let's go up.
Nakayuan ko, bisit na tikoy. Huwag ang
I cleaned up here. This room was our wardrobe. It's very small, and this room was our old bedroom where we had our old bed and a lot of packing.
Pagdali Archie, kanay shakoy pa.